Good evening. It's time once again for the Barry Bird Show.
At your service.
Barry Bird is brought to you by Super Jerky World. All varieties of fabulous jerky for the jerky professional. Super Jerky World. Are you jerky enough? Always open. Tonight, Barry brings you funny videos too.
That's right, we have some unfinished business from way back at show number 6. If you recall, on that episode of Funny Videos, we introduced you to the antics of professional pig tosser Raymond Blur. Here's a clip from that show. Well, for the last 3 years, he's waited and waited and waited for his pig to return to Earth. Well, we just got word that the pig may have been picked up on radar out at the Toaster City International Airport. So let's go see.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important message from our alternate sponsor, Tate's Tired Tablets. Hey there, are you tired, fatigued, run down, got no energy? Well, of course you are, but it doesn't have to be this way. Well, actually, I feel... Yes, that's right. There is a better way thanks to the miracle of Tate's Tired Tablets. New research shows what clinical trials have said that Tate's Tired Tablets are for you. Not convinced? Well, let's listen to what this leading doctor has to say. Just. Tate's is good. Yes, it's good. Tate's, it works. Still not convinced? Well, here are some testimonials from real people who are actual users of Tate's Tired Tablets.
In spinach control, I learned that Tate's is good. Yeah, it's good. And, yeah, it really works. Good.
Tate's is good, you know. And it, really works. Was that okay?
You said it. That's right. Tate's Tired Tablets will go the extra mile for you just when you need it the most. Possible side effects may include itching, hair loss, blurred vision, dizziness, nausea, constipation, nosebleed, memory loss, depression, ringing of the ears, diarrhea, Johnson syndrome, toothache, tenderfoot, death, halitosis, blue tongue, Schwanzett fever, death, tabulosis, and toenail fungus. So ask your pharmacist for Tate's Tired Tablets today. Another fine product from Felony Labs. Now back to the Barry Bird Show.
Hey, Robocam, next time try to warn me when we're cutting to a commercial.
1,000 pardons, Barry. I have dishonored this program and QBBS TV. I should be eliminated or reassigned to...
Whoa, Robocam, don't blow a gasket. All is groovy. You're not going anywhere. It's cool.
Are you sure, Barry?
Yes, of course. Now, please, let's go back to see what's happening with...
I hear and I obey. Barry.
Yes, Robocam?
You are a beautiful person.
Oh, boy. Whoa, what's this? Holy cow, hey everyone, it's producer Pat Porker. Gee, Pat, I haven't seen him around, but as soon as I do, I'll let him know you were looking for him. Yeah, okay, so what are you developing since your Project Turkey Shoot that you produced for Penny Hamburger? Okay, roll 'em. Was there a pizza party 1?
And the name is Pamburger, not Hamburger. Listen, punk. In your case, the customer isn't always right.
What? Let's do lunch. Yay! 3 cheers for Hollywood, and wow, we're out of time. Thank you, Pat Porker. Thank you, Super Jerky World, and good night, everybody.
We hope you enjoyed your evening with Barry Bird. Please tune in again next week. We have a wonderful show lined up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, everybody.
We interrupt the ending of this program to bring you an important news bulletin. Producer Pat Porker has been reported missing from his motel room in downtown Toaster City. Authorities are at a loss to know where he is, so stay tuned to the Barry Bird Show for updates on this developing story. We now return you to the ending already in progress.